The ruffed grouse is a relatively small forest-dwelling cousin of the wild turkey. Despite these tasty relations, the grouse is perhaps best known for the drumming sound the male makes with its wings to attract a mate, or the startling burst of wing beats you'll hear if you approach too closely to a grouse on a woodland trail. While at least 5 subspecies of the ruffed grouse occur in eastern North America, they all share a neat winter adaptation. Each fall they grow comb-like fleshy scales along their toes that act a bit like snowshoes. These scales are shed in the spring. About the height of a gull and oval in shape, the ruffed grouse has a cryptic mottled gray-brown coloration with whitish undersides marked with faint dark bars. The species has a small crest on its head and pale white eye lines. The ruffed part of this grouse's name refers to a ring of black feathers the male puffs out on his neck when displaying. The male also fans his tail feathers when displaying, showing a dark band along their tips. The female has a broken band and is slightly smaller than the male. Like other species in this particular family of birds, including the chicken we know so well, ruffed grouses cluck to one another. But let's have a listen to the distinct drumming you're more likely to hear from this species. Ruffed grouse are uncommon year-round residents in our region and tend to be more detectable during the winter months and more audible when drumming in April. Ruffed grouse inhabit hardwood and mixed forests with dense ground cover where they feed on the leaves, buds, and twigs of woody plants as well as nuts.